Welcome to our comparison of the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4070 Super and the MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super. Today, we will dive deep into the specifications, performance, and features of these two powerful graphics cards. Whether you're a gamer looking for the best performance or someone who needs a reliable card for creative applications, we've got you covered. Let's find out which card reigns supreme in the world of high-performance graphics. When it comes to pricing, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4070 Super is priced at $599, making it a more affordable option for gamers who want solid performance without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super comes in at a higher price of $839. While the RTX 4070 Ti offers superior performance, its higher cost may not be justifiable for everyone, especially those who primarily game at 1440p. In terms of performance, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4070 Super excels at 1440p gaming, providing a smooth experience for most modern titles. However, it may struggle with 4K gaming at maximum settings due to its 12 GB of VRAM. In contrast, the MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super is designed for high-end gaming and can handle 4K resolutions with ease, thanks to its 16 GB of VRAM and higher boost clock speed. This makes it the ideal choice for gamers looking for the best performance at higher resolutions. Both graphics cards feature advanced cooling solutions to maintain optimal temperatures during intense gaming sessions. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4070 Super utilizes the WINDFORCE 3X cooling system, which is known for its effective heat dissipation. Meanwhile, the MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super is equipped with the Ventus 3X cooling system, designed to provide superior airflow and cooling efficiency. While both systems are effective, the choice may come down to personal preference in design and brand loyalty. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4070 Super and the MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super offer excellent performance for gamers, but they cater to different needs. The RTX 4070 Super is a fantastic choice for those on a budget who primarily game at 1440p, while the RTX 4070 Ti is suited for those seeking top-tier performance at 4K resolutions. Be sure to consider your gaming habits and budget before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.